Hello, today I will show you how to rearrange your home and lock screen in the SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV. So, in the first step we will start from the widgets. If you want to add some, just hold the finger on the empty place on the home screen and choose widgets. Now, just select the app and hold this red widget and drop on the home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger again. Sorry, I think I cannot do this on this one. If you want to resize, just hold the finger again and use that little edges. If you want to make a folder on your home screen, just hold any app and run to another. But if you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the applications from this folder. If you want to change the name of it, click here and type the name. If you want to change the upgrade, go to the Home Settings. Go to the Wallpaper and Style and slide down to the Upgrade. If you want to change the system colors and the icon colors, go here and choose your color. You can also use the dark theme and themed icons. Now we can go to the settings and go to this section. There you can change your ambient display options or just choose a new clock. If you want to set a live wallpaper, go to the wallpaper and choose this first option. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.